When I tiled my bathroom, I wasn't sure what kind of access door I was going to make to cover this hole where the plumbing is for the bathtub. But I decided I would make a frame and then use the same tile and put that in the frame. And the tile I'm going to put in the frame is both this sort of light colored wall tile and also this dark colored floor tile. And I decided I didn't want screws in the frame that would be visible once it was in place, so I put these magnetic catches. There's a bottom catch here and there's a top catch here, and they're going to hold that frame in place. I started with some clear pine that's 3/4 of an inch by 2.5, this right here. And into that I cut a pretty wide rabbet right here. It's 1/2 inch deep, and I put a little edge on it over on the other side. After I shaped the wood, I mitered it and glued it up. Here it is after I took it out of the gluing jig. I cut a panel to drop into that rabbet, and I'm gluing up the panel here. And now I've taken the clamps off and it's all done. I dropped a piece of tile in there to make sure I had the height right. I've got the tile in now. I use thin set to hold it down, just the same way that I put the tile up on the wall. And I used 2 kinds of grout. I used a dark grout for the dark tile and a white grout for the white tile. And here at the bottom you can see I put some rubber bumpers, and those are there just to keep it up off the floor, so that if the floor gets wet, the wood won't get wet. And here's the finished door. It's in place on the bathtub.